Is your Genshin Impact keep showing you reconnecting issues while playing the game? Now, if you ever face Genshin Impact reconnecting issues on your Android, you need to learn some quick tricks to solve your problem. Solution 1. Fix internet issues. First, open Setting, tap Wi-Fi. Tap this arrow icon, then scroll down, tap IP address. Tap Static. Now you need to change your DNS setting. For that, you have to scroll down a little, remove the first and second DNS. Now you need to choose the Google DNS server. So just enter 8.8.8.8 for the first DNS and enter 8.8.4.4. Now tap the check mark. After this process, quickly go back and then open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting. Again scroll down, tap Developer option. Scroll down and find this Wi-Fi throttling option. First, turn on the Wi-Fi throttling on mobile data on. Now go back and run an internet speed test on your device. After following all the processes, now if you have anything to know, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for your time.